Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use PPTO Walmart. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to use PTO, what you need to do is first tell your manager or supervisor as soon as possible. Then just request your time off through the global time and attendance portal GTAP. The system does the rest depending on the reason you select. If you choose sick or other, it will use protect PTO first. Your absence will be authorized even if you aren't able to request it before your absence, as long as you have got enough protected PTO to cover it. If you run out and don't have enough, your regular PTO will be used to pay the rest, but you won't be absence protected for the portion of your time away covered by regular PTO. So be sure to understand your first facility attendance policy. If you choose any other reason, you'll dip into regular PTO hours instead. Besides vacations, holidays, and personal needs, you can use PTO for the waiting period before short-term disability begins. And if you run out, protected PTO kicks in automatically. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.